I'd like to congratulate my brother, Kuya Migs. I'm so proud of you for your fourth branch.
Welcome to the grand opening of Busco Barbers here at Ayala Arcasap. Today marks our fourth branch and our second company-owned store. And it means a lot of celebrate this milestone with all of you.
First, I want to thank God Almighty para sa blessing na to. And of course, to our special guests, VIPs, thank you for coming. Thank you for sharing your precious time with us. I-celebrate the grand opening. We really appreciate that, sirs and moms.
Well, first of all, I would like to thank God for giving us an opportunity to open another branch for Busco Barbers. And secondly, of course, I want to thank my parents, my ever-supporting mom and dad for giving me all the support that I need in order for me to create this brand. So definitely, totoo, it was my thesis back in college. But yet again, I would like to thank everyone. This is our fourth branch for Busco Barbers. And yeah, enjoy the celebration. Congratulations to everyone as well. Cheers!